This video is really exciting because it's my first video that I filmed on my brand new camera. So I just got the DJI Osmo Action 4. Is that the right way to say it? Hopefully. It's a really long title for such a tiny camera. It's kind of similar to a GoPro, and I was having so much fun just figuring out how to hold it and how to use it. Anyway, after our bike ride, we were getting a little hungry, so we stopped by a cafe in Yeonam. After our cute little cafe spot, Mike took us to this place that he had saved. I was so hungry at this point. One thing I love about Korea is I love the self-service. I love being at a restaurant where I can just stand up and go get my own water. It's so nice.
This is what I imagined.
Oh my god, this shot.
Oh, yeah.